back to our YouTube channel in the Ask PWIP session. Here am I answering your question. So there are two questions in this. There are many varieties of rice in India, but only Sona Masuri rice having a export ban. Please let me know if any other country exports Sona Masuri. I think that is what the customer is trying to ask. Well, Sona Masuri has a, I think, GI tag on it, which is geographical indication that it can be only, or it is only grown in India. I don't think any other country grows Sona Masuri rice like basmati, right? Only India and Pakistan grows basmati rice. Any other country cannot grow basmati rice because of a lot of different reasons. So yes, only India can export Sona Masuri rice. So the world has to depend on India for Sona Masuri rice. But there is a second part of this question. There are millions of people from South India, they eat only Sona Masuri rice. I think what he's trying to ask is, if it is banned, then what will these people abroad who want to eat Sona Masuri rice will eat now? Well, there is no choice. So normally, if say for example Sona Masuri rice is banned from export, then customers who are abroad who are not getting this rice has to move on to different other varieties which is available, right? Food has to be eaten. I mean, I have seen, for example, Thai Homali rice or jasmine rice. They are very, very edible. When you don't have rice, that's the thing, right? But I think parboiled rice is still allowed. So Sona Masuri parboiled is still allowed to export. So you can see now a lot of parboiled Sona Masuri rice will start getting exported, and a lot of customers who were before eating Sona Masuri steam or Sona Masuri raw will now have to move into Sona Masuri parboiled. Well, PWIP focuses on varietal informations of rice very, very strategically, because again Sona Masuri is very, very debatable. A lot of qualities that are available, Karnataka versus Andhra, etc. RNR, HMT, column. So you might want to check this out, but everybody will move to Sona parboiled. That's the best option to have. I'm very, very glad that a lot of questions are coming from our users asking about export, asking about rice, asking about ban, and I'm very glad to answer all of them. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us, and we'll try our best to answer every question that comes along the way. Thank you.